Hello students, how are you? Today I am going to discuss the moral science, Amazing Lesson for Life, chapter 3. This is the most important chapter. Okay. Chapter 3 I am going to discuss. Jealousy, a curse for mankind. This is most important. Jealousy is not a good habit. It is curse. For whom? It is curse for mankind. Okay. Jealousy, मानव जाति के लिए अभिशाप. A curse for mankind. It is not a good habit. We should not be jealous for anyone. There lived a sultan who had 50 wives. How many wives? Once upon a time there was a king whose name is not mentioned, only sultan. There lived a sultan who had 50 wives. How many wives? 50 wives, not 1 2 3 4 5, more than, so total 50 wives. Each of his wife had a son. It means what? Each of his wife had a son, not daughter. Okay. We know very well in our country there are similarities between boy and girl. Okay. Boy child get more respect, but not girl child. Okay. It is the fault of society, you can tell it. Okay. From ancient time it is going continuously. The Firoza gave a birth to a son, Khudabdad, meaning the gift of God. He grew up to be a handsome, brave and clever young man. He grew up to be a handsome, brave and clever young man. The Firoza gave birth to a son, Khudabdad, meaning the gift of. What is the meaning of Khuda? Khuda means God. Khuda, dad. Khuda, the meaning of the gift of God. Grew up to be a handsome, brave and clever young man. Clear? It means what? So he sent away to her brother, the king of Samri. The Firoza gave a birth to a son, Khudabda. Is the child name. Okay. Its meaning is given. And he became young, brave and also clever. And also he is ready to fight. When Khudabdar's mother told him about his father, he told each and everything about his father. Who is your father and what he is doing? He went to go and see him. His mother agreed. Khudabdar set up for Haran. It is their country, the Sultan's capital, okay, and presented himself before the Sultan. Said, I am trained in all form of the art of the what. He hide his identity. He did not tell this that he is son. Sultan tested him thoroughly and found that what Khudabda had said was indeed true. Khudabda was very brave and extraordinary man, and he was very skillful person. He knows each and every fighting. Okay, so he asked him to train the 49 princes in the art of fighting. He told that I have 49 princes, you will train him. The princes were jealous of Khudabda. The Sultan loved him very much. The princes were jealous because he was very tender person and he was very skillful. That's why princes were jealous. Okay, and Sultan loved him very much. Who loved him? He means what? Khudabdat loved him very much, but his son, 49 son, did not love him. It was the matter. One day they I think you can see it without any problem. One day they plan to get rid of him. Rid means chutkara. If he pretend to come to harm under his care, okay, if he pretend to come hard under his care, our father is sure to have killed him. We will go hunting with Khudabda's permission. Okay, it was his master plan. Okay, for hunting. Okay, we will go hunting with Khudabda's permission. Whose permission? Khudabda's. Because Khudabdas was giving training to Prince son. Okay, 49. That's why he will take leave. He will go hunting with Khudabda's permission. When we don't come back, our father will have to be put to death. Clear? Decide the prince. Khudabda gave them permission. Okay, no problem. You can go. He had given the permission. When there was no sign of them after a week, the Sultan called Khudabda. I thought you would take good care of my son. I will have you killed if they come to any harm. Now go and bring them back. You have done wrong. Go and find out my son. Here it was the order of prince. Then Khudabda went in search for his brother. Okay, he was searching one place to another place. Clear? Okay. After some time, he came to a castle. He was searching one place to another place. After that, he went to the castle. He looked up and saw in one of the window a lovely lady. A lovely and beautiful lady was there. She cried, "Go away." Who cried? She means what? Lovely lady cried to go away. The castle belonged to a man-eating monster. He was very dangerous person, man-eating monster. He has locked up several young men. He has locked up several young men in this castle. If he sees you, you too will join them. It means one, several young men was arrested in the castle by the man-eating monster, and he was very dangerous person. Okay. Khudabda asked, "Who are you, fairy lady?" He went in the castle and asked the fairy lady, "Beautiful lady, why are you locked in?" Okay, why are you here? Khudabda asked her the question to the lady. "I'm Daryabad." The lady gave their identification to Khudabda. Clear? "I'm Daryabad, the daughter of the king of Cairo." Cairo. Whose daughter? Cairo. This monster wants to marry me. That is why he has kept me here. Now you must go from there. The daughter did not want to marry with a monster, but in spite of she was bound to stay on that castle. Okay. She had hardly finished speaking when a fierce man came riding up on a huge black horse. He shot Khudabda and rushed at him. He was very big and strong, and Khudabda was quicker than him. He struck a hard blow on the monster's neck. The monster fell down and died. It means what? Dangerous monster was killed by Khudabda. Khudabda is very active and very smart person, and he knows each and every quality, every art, how to kill anyone. Okay. The prince took Khudabda to the prison. Okay. The prince took Khudabda to the prison. He freed a young man. He freed the young man and was surprised to find his 49 brothers among them. How many brothers? 49 brother was arrested by the man-eating monster. Okay, but after going to Khudabda on that prison, okay, he freed. Clear? The brave Khudabdar married the beautiful Prince Daryabad. At the wedding feast, he said the prince and his brother, "I am Khudabdar." Which type of feast? Which type of feast? In wedding feast. The son of the Sultan of Horan and his chief Queen Firoja, the prince, instead of being happy to meet their 50th brother, okay, prince was very happy because he saw after many days to their son, okay, he is our brother, and if he tells our father how he has saved our lives, the father will give the kingdom to him, he must kill him. Clear? That night, the prince went to the Khudabdar's tent, clear, and struck him with their swords. Prince came and struck with their swords. Okay. Then they went back to Haran. When the prince awoke, she found Khudabdar bleeding badly. Oh, he was bleeding badly, and he was crying bitterly. She rushed to the city to find a doctor, but when he came back, Khudabdar was not in there. It means what? Prince was very sad to think about Khudabdar because Khudabdar was badly tortured by the king. Clear? The prince told the doctor whole story, what he had done with Khudabdar. He said, "Let us go to the Sultan. He will give us justice." He has gone to the justice. He has gone to the king for the justice. On their way to Haran, and they heard the Queen Firoja was in their capital looking for her son. The wise doctor told Daryabad, "If I take you to the palace, the prince are sure to kill you. If I take you to the palace, prince are sure to kill you. Since you know how did they kill Khudabdar, you already know," told that prince. Okay, I will take you to the queen instead. After that, I think you can see it. The queen heard the story from the prince and went to the sultan. Each and everything understood. He asked her what she was doing in Haran. He asked, "Looking for our lost son," she replied. "He came to you, and now I hear that you other sons have killed. Your other sons have killed." Clear? The Sultan was filled with sorrow. He was he was crying bitterly and anger, filled with sorrow. How could I have been so blind? How? He was very surprised. He was surprised to find. Okay, he cried and cried. Just then a messenger ran in to tell them that they had been attacked by the Turk. He was crying. The Sultan and his army rode out to fight the attackers. Suddenly the Sultan saw a horseman came into the battlefield with a large army. Two armies together defeated the Turk. Okay, already defeated the Turk when army came. Sultan went to meet the horseman and saw that he was none other than Khudabdar. Was none other than Khudabdar. Khudabdar was very good person. Okay, and he was very faithful for anybody. Okay, he embraced him and told him all that he had learned from Firoja. Okay, Firoja was her mother, and she gave a good education to the Khudabdar. Okay, Khudabdar told the Sultan how a doctor had taken him to his house and cured him. Okay, doctor cured him. Clear? When I went back to look for my wife, she was gone. She was gone. I thought my brother had killed her. I was on my way to Haran when I saw the enemy gathered these men from the villages. He told the Sultan. The Sultan was determined that his other sons should be killed. Okay, we know we know very well. Okay, how this incident happened. Okay, but Khudabda said, "I have forgiven them, my father. They were blind by Julius. They were blind by Julius. Julius is very bad habit. Okay, it is the very bad impression. Okay, it is bad. It is not a good quality. Clear? They were blind by Julius. Firoza and Daryabad, we are very happy to see Khudabda alive. Now, Khudabda was not killed by anyone. He was alive. Okay. Sultan said to the other prince, I would have had you all put to death, but the brother whom you tried to murder has saved your lives. He alone is fit for my throne after my death. Okay, he selected for the throne. Who selected? Prince. Prince realized their mistake and apologized to Khudabda. Thus, the 15th prince became Sultan after his father's death. Thus, 15 princes became Sultan after his father's death. So, jealous is not good habit. Okay, if you want to improve yourself, if you want to go on the right track, then it is your duty to remove jealous from your life. Okay, clear? So, already I have told you MCQ's question will be asked in your examination. Don't do this question. MCQ questions will be asked, option will be given in the examinations. Clear? So, be prepared for the examinations. Okay, each and every paragraph you will read thoroughly, because question will be asked from each and question may be asked from each and every paragraph. Okay, thanks for watching in this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe of this channel. And if you are facing any problem while understanding any topic, then you can also give comment, or you can also WhatsApp me. Okay, on my mobile number 9231507316. Clear? Thanks for watching this video.